For information on how to do a transmission oil change, please click on the video link. If you want to go one step further, you can replace this gasket. It sits here between the valve body and the gearbox housing. Therefore, we have to undo the valve body. When we do this, we just have to undo the big bolts. It's T40. The smaller ones don't touch, just the bigger ones, T40. Stay with these automatic gearbox parts in a very clean environment. To remove the gasket, simply pull downwards. Push the new gasket firmly into place. Now, after we have put this new gasket in, we can put back the valve body. Now it's quite important, this shift leverage has to go into the recess of this piston inside. You will see when you, or probably you have seen while taking it out, it has to slide in, otherwise you are unable to select gears. After putting on the valve body, it has to look like this. The pin of the lever has to be here in this recess. What we have to do now is pre-tighten the valve body. It's not the final tightening what we do now. This bolt and this bolt need to be tightened first with 2 Newton meters. A very low torque, 2 Newton meters. So I'll begin with this one. It's just that there it is already. 2 Newton meters. So we are done for this now. Now, when these two are tightened with 2, we put our torque wrench on 8 Newton meters and tighten all bolts we have taken out previously. Don't forget the 3 here in the back. So these are now tightened with 2. Now we preset the torque wrench to 8 Newton meters and we keep on then tightening these bolts until 8 is reached. One. Now all the others according to the tightening order. For information on how to do a transmission oil change, please click on the video link.